In this video, I start out a drive from Bergen, Norway to Alesund. I will show you what you should expect to see if you plan on doing this drive for yourself. This drive is over 7 hours long, covering 420 kilometers of the beautiful Norway coastline.
Never lost Romer with Bill Ernest.
So as I said in the last video, if you happen to watch, Bergen is the most rainiest city in Europe, so no surprise that when I would be leaving the city, it would be raining as well. But keep in mind, as the rain may be a little encumbersome, you do get some beautiful results as well from it, with these rolling green hills that you'll be seeing as I pass on this drive. Two very unique things about this drive: you'll cross on not one, but 2 ferry boats in order to get to the other side. The first one is 2 hours into your drive, and the last ferry boat crossing is about 1 hour before you're finished. I'll show you one of those ferry boat rides coming up shortly. Waterfall right off there, and then overcast, foggy, just really scenic and pretty. Look at this big old waterfall just before you go into the bridge right there. Everywhere you look, a scenic picture pops up. So this is what it looks like stopping, getting in line, ready for the ferry. The ferry is now coming up over there. Pretty soon I'll be hopping on that ferry to cross 5 kilometers. Drawbridge goes up, so they may give us the okay to go ahead and drive in. See those cars right there? Those are cars that are exiting the ferry. They've finished their journey. Once they have dispersed, we can get on the ferry. Here we go. We're now going on to the ferry. This is what it looks like. Look how wide this is. Wow, this is the ferry boat going on for the ferry now. Officially on the boat. So we've just got onto the ferry right now, and we're going to get off. It's going to be a 5 kilometer crossing, so let's go out and see what this ferry boat looks like. So this is how big this ferry boat is. Look, they've already got 2 rows of lines of cars lined up, and they're packing in even more. And this is what it looks like from out here. So very shortly, this ferry boat's going to be taking us across this 5 kilometer area to the other side. Pretty neat. Drive your car on, and everything's electronically. And the way they do it is they scan your license plate as you come on, so you don't have to pay. They'll bill you later, but since I have a rent-a-car, I want to get this thing squared away before anything gets really confusing later on. And we're actually moving, so not bad for this. The price on this, about $7.60 for this 5 kilometer ferry going across here. Let's see if we can see anything from here. This is where we're going. Check it out. That's where we're headed, over there. So for $7.60, you can put your car on this ferry and cross it. Look at this big, huge diesel on it. Let me go show you what it looks like inside. They have a place that you can relax and have coffee and get out of the cold. And this is what it looks like in here. Have a little coffee, donuts, right for it to cross. See that? They got restrooms in here too. So, let me check this out. See? Little snacks, ice cream, things to pay there, and restrooms. 2014. See, they got all kinds of life jackets up here just in case, ready to go, full of safety, giving you information all about this from 1855, 1937, how long they've been doing these crossings. So, nice little convenient thing they have here. And then to get out, just push these doors, it opens automatically, and outside you go, and the cars are all lined up. Right now it's currently raining, so I'm hiding out here, waiting for the rain to subside, and then I'm going to go back to my car. And the journey is just about over. Look, winding up the very end here. Just letting right there, this is what the dock looks like, see? So soon all these cars will come piling out onto the road. Let's head on out to the car to be ready to go. They're putting down the drawbridge right now. Cars are out in motion and we are on our way. Look at this. Look at this. We made it all the way to the other side. Wow. Look at that. Heading on out and we are off of the ferry boat. And away we go. It's just like that. Still seeing this beautiful view. Look at this as it rains. Big old huge mountain. And then mountains surrounding the area. Here. Look at that. Red barns galore. Check out this view here. Over the lake. Look at those beautiful mountains right there. And then a little pier shot. More of the amazing, breathtaking views of Norway along the coast. Look at that. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. More of the breathtaking view sights here on this drive. Look at this. Skies are still coming back from the rainstorm that we've been having. Look at that. Wow. Cannot say enough how much this beautiful country looks here in Norway. And here's one of my favorite things about driving the highways of Norway, these random churches that pop up. Just like they did on my drive from Oslo to Bergen, I see them once again. And take a look where this church is placed, right next to a lake with a breathtaking view. Look at this. Waterfall falling down high atop this mountain here. Check that out. Look at that. Incredible. The green that's all around here. Look at this. This moss all over this. It's like it gets rained on every single day, keeping it green. A sea of green. Check out this water, how blue it is, or green. Next to this big, huge green mountain. It doesn't get any better than this. Look at this, waterfall falling off of the mountain and the city reflecting off of the lake right there. More of the amazing view on the way to Alesund in Norway. And this clip right here showing you the lake glaring off of the city and distinguishing the difference to which is the actual city and which is the glare of the city. I took this drive in the middle of September, mainly because I wanted to see the fall colors start to slowly come into effect with these trees that you see right here. If waterfalls are your thing, then you're in luck, for you'll see plenty of them during the course of your 420-kilometer drive. Remember earlier in the video when I talked about all the rain they get in these parts of the country? Well, this is the payoff to it. All this beautiful green foliage. Feast your eyes on this. So that will more than do it on this video on the drive from Bergen to Alesund. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. If you would like to see my other videos on Norway, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.
Never lost roamer with filler.